Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Quick update. Palantir released Apollo docs today. You guys have got to read these. It's amazing, full of info I have never seen before. I'll leave a link in the description, but if you're a developer, this is a great way for you to get to know the platform ahead of the release of any kind of interactive developer material, such as open source repos, anything else that's coming. Not saying that that's coming, but just as a great way to get to know the platform. Also, if you don't know already, Foundry docs are also available, and they've been available for some time, so I'm going to go ahead and leave a link in the description for those. Also, a quick update, I'm going to be releasing the Cavequity interview that I did with Simon and Jordan. They are co-founders of Cavequity. They do some great articles on Seeking Alpha. We had a great long conversation about sort of the history of technology, the cycles of innovation, you know, where we see things going in the future and how Palantir might benefit from that or be a leader in some of these areas. We're not talking stock, we're not talking growth or anything like that. Just as a heads up, you know, full disclaimer, I have access to a free Foundry stack, and I won't be talking about the stock or the you know, growth or anything like earnings like that moving forward. But this was a fantastic conversation. You all got to watch this. It's about an hour long. We dive deep into the history of all these things, the sort of parallels we've seen with other companies, including Intel and Amazon. So you definitely want to check this out. And also, we've got a Foundry for Gaming update coming your way. I'm deep in the weeds on this one. We want to show end-to-end this whole thing working, collapsing experiments out of Foundry. We've got new data ingest capabilities we want to showcase. We've got new data analytics capabilities we want to showcase. We've got new server objects, so stay tuned. I've got a lot of content coming your way, and there's some potentially big announcements I want to make, but stay tuned. Oh, one other thing too. I'll be on Tom Nash, June 25th. We're recording. I don't think that's going live, but it'll be on the Tom Nash main channel. We're going to be talking Palantir. Again, I won't be talking stock or stock price, but I will be breaking down all of the product features, what I'm excited about, where I think Palantir could really make some inroads in terms of you know, the technology community, technology space. So tune into that, and I'll definitely leave a post on the channel as to the exact date time that will air. All right, so lots going on. Sorry I've been quiet, but just a lot in the works. I've been doing a lot of development, working really hard at my day job, and also really hard to do this proof of concept for Foundry. So stay tuned, people. Can't wait to get some more content coming your way.